Good day everyone. Today we are going to take a look at zomei travel tripod, which is a lightweight aluminum tripod. This tripod also turned into a monopod, and it's quite handy feature though. Okay, let's take a look at this zomei tripod model Q666. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. Inside here you will receive a nice carrying case, well padded, and also you will receive some accessories like hex key, manual, kind of adapter, and the product catalog. Let's take a look at the tripod inside. Here it is. It comes with a protective bag or something like that. Alright, let's take a look at the key features. Now the reason why I purchased this tripod is it's really compact. When it's folded, it's 35 cm and you can extend up to 1.5 meters in height. I know that's not quite as tall as the competitive tripods in the market, but solely I bought this for its compact foldable length. Let's take a look at some of the key features. There is this nice locking mechanism where you can lock it. It stays locked quite firm, right? And 5-section twist lock, as you can see, locks in firmly, and there is a rubber base here. This rubber foot provides a nice firm grip when it's placed. Also, this tripod has a weight hook where you can mount your weights here to provide more stability. Alright, let's take a look at the ball head itself. The ball head rotates quite smoothly, where it contains 3 knobs. This one is to tighten or give resistance to the ball head, pan head actually, and this one works in conjunction with this one to provide a smooth tilt head, while this knob mainly is to loosen up the ball head. On the ball head itself, if you take a look here, there's the bubble level to ensure you have a nice evenly leveled your camera. This is very good for getting the horizon straight, and this is a quick release plate. Alright, it also comes with a little bit of a handle here so that you can tighten up the screws. Okay. Let's take a look at some of the other features that this tripod offers. Let's take a look at this monopod feature for this tripod. Okay. First off, you have to loosen up the bottom, remove the hook, loosen up the center column. There, it is detached. As you can see, one of its legs can be loosened up to be used as a monopod. You just have to twist it Now these two sections have both been loosened. This is where this extra nut here comes into play. I simply attach this. Yep, secured firmly. There's your monopod. Now there's one more feature that I like about this tripod is it's very good for macro shot, where you remove the center column, insert it invertedly, there you go. Now you can put your camera downwards. You can shoot at a low angle, or very handy for macro features. Another feature that I like about this tripod is you can go quite low like this, and it's very useful for landscape shots. One thing to note about this quick release plate, where it has these two screws to hold it in place while it's a little bit loose, serves as a protection. Okay, here we can see this screw has a handle here. Now this is very handy feature for tightening the body without a coin. However, I noticed that if we use this to tighten heavier lenses which mounted on a body, combination does make it creep downwards on vertical position. Okay, let's take a look at what I mean by this. But here I have a D750 with Tamron 15 to 30. It's quite a heavy lens actually. So if we mount this base plate and we tighten using the provided handle, okay, that's about as tight as I can do without breaking the handles as well. Right, placing it on the tripod. Okay. Now let's adjust the ball head to lean forward. Okay, that doesn't seem to be any problem. It holds it firmly even for such a heavy lens. It holds up quite fairly. Let's take a look at the vertical position. Okay, now we can see the lens does creep downwards, so it's quite difficult to compose. This is mainly due to the lack of tightness using the provided handles. Now let's try it again with using a coin. Now by using a coin, I can tighten it even further. Let's mount it and see. Alright, let's try the vertical position again. Now we can see the tripod is holding it firmly. There's no creeping downwards due to the weight. It's holding it solidly. So my advice is you can use a coin when you know your lens are quite heavy and you need a very sturdy composition and so on. That's it for today for the review of Q666, and this tripod is highly recommended. As you can see, it provides affordable budget option with a nice ball head, and it also makes it a good monopod plus a low angle shoot for macro shots. Until next time, this is Joe from Practical Imaging. Hope you like this video. If you do, like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you again.